today's video I'm actually competing for the Olympics. Oh my god. But it's actually about the house behind me, so forget me trying not to drown. But this house, whoa, has this current, and look at this, guys. It is amazing. So if you want to do laps, you'll get this lap pool in your house, and check out inside the video. And look at that, my hair's all dry, straight fresh from the swimming pool. So let's check out inside this beautiful home that is just going on the books today. And we do have 2 open house events next week. So if you wanted to come and visit this home, DM me. My details are below in the description, and you can actually come and have a look at the house. There's going to be 2 open house events. All the details will be below in the description, and you'll also be able to contact me directly as well. So let's turn around the camera. Come check out this absolutely stunning renovated home here in Jumeirah Park. So there we go, that's where I just was swimming away. So let's get you coordinated as to where we are. So that is out to the pool and the gardens, and as you just saw, that incredible current there, and that swimming pool that will keep you fit and trained even if you are heading to the Olympics next. So let's go back to the front door and start from here. So we walk in the front door. Now remember, this house has been fully renovated throughout. So those of you that may be familiar with Jumeirah Park, this did not look like this when it was handed over 14 years ago. So quite different. So you walk in and you've got the stairs up to your 3 bedrooms, got a beautiful mirror here, which is lovely when you come in, and this open plan living and kitchen area. So let's go into the main living area, and here you have it. So all the windows have been redone and everything's been painted. You've got new ceilings on, which is just absolutely gorgeous. So that is the front of your house here, and you've got a lovely large space to work with there, so you can get creative. But here we have it inside. You've got 2 living areas. This is the formal, then you've got the dining area leading straight out. Now these are bifolding doors, so they entirely open, which is really great for entertaining during the winter months here. And then let's walk back through. That's where we entered, and here is into the open plan, should we say, family dining and kitchen. And I absolutely love this kitchen. It's all Bosch appliances. And we're going to just check out. So look, even the drawers, you just push them and they close on their own. You've got a lovely travertine worktop here, and straight out there to the garden and the swimming pool. So just a few little things that I really like about this house. So just check out some of these fittings. You've got this lovely piece here that closes entirely, but that's your little coffee station there, no less. And you know, great shelving and storage here for all of your needs, and you know, shelving throughout. So it's been really nicely designed. Double fridge here as well. That's always handy for a large family. And then if we walk down here, you've got the laundry room with your washer, dryer, and all of your cleaning goods there. We're not going to be short of aerial cleaning goods here, same as my house. And this is fabulous. Now we haven't got a light in here, but this storage goes way back, so you can put all your luggage and suitcases in there. Very handy. And this is just an extra little cleaning storage cupboard. And here's the maid's room. I'm afraid the light doesn't work, but they're just using it for storage. But the maid's room always has a bathroom. So this is a 3-bedroom plus maid's room. And then let's check out the garage. So it's a double garage. It's a really large garage, and you've got plenty of space to put storage as well. So always handy in these houses. And then let's walk back into the kitchen and just check out the other side. So you've got a dishwasher here, got a modern sink there, and you've got a wine fridge as well. All of these cupboards here just looks really classy. And your oven. And then this nice little like chilled family seating area for the TV room as well. And then you've already seen out here a little bit at the beginning of this video, but here is your large swimming pool. So it's got the current, as you've seen. You've got a jacuzzi. It is also cooled and heated swimming pool, so that's always handy in the winter and summer. And can you believe it? It gets really warm here that we even put ice cubes in our swimming pools. Like you can get mega ice cubes. So here we have it. Let's just show you a little bit about how this area looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, you can walk through to the front of the house through a side gate, which is locked there. And this has also been fully extended. You can actually close this whole part in. It's already had its NOC approval from the developer, so you can close this in. It's got a fly screen here, but if you wanted to, you could extend that house further out if you want. And then down the side, that door goes into the garage as well. So again, more storage. You've got, your units, your barbecue, etc. And there's an outside shower, which I always think is handy. And the whole swimming pool, by the way, is lit up at night. So let's walk back through the house. Absolutely love this kitchen. And now let's head upstairs and check out 3 bedrooms. Oh, and let's just show you here the downstairs toilet. Again, that's been fully redone, which is really, really nice. So let's check out the first floor. And as we walk upstairs, we also get a great idea of the space down here, okay? And that's outside of the front of the house. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms. So we've got bedroom 1 in here with a beautiful ensuite bathroom. I mean, I just love it. Look at it, and the lights as well. Like, all the features are done so beautifully. So, and then you've got the bedroom here, and they've got a balcony at the front. So that's always handy. And then you've got your built-in wardrobes here. And then you've got bedroom 2 here, which at the moment is being used as a home gym, and with a bathroom there. And this one looks out over the garden and the swimming pool, so you get more of an idea here as to the property. Built-in wardrobes as well, so it's always handy. And then my favorite room of all, you've got a balcony up here, and a lot of people have actually opened that up and built another room upstairs, so you can also apply to get permission to extend up here if you so wish. But check this out. This is my favorite room, the master bedroom. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Really, really nice. It's all been done. And you've got the feature up there on the back of the wall, the mirror. And you can also check out, here we have it, your views as well. I think it's always important on videos to show the views. It's really annoying when you want to buy a house and you actually can't see what's outside. That's the most important bit about buying a house, right? So look at this. It's one of my favorite bathrooms I've ever walked into. So you've got storage here, beautiful mirror, and then isn't that gorgeous? I mean, look at this bathroom. Your bath is up there literally on a pedestal. And you've got this lovely shower. You've got two showers here, no less. And this absolutely gorgeous bath up here. So that is your bathroom. Isn't it amazing? And it's all been done with top fittings and features. Obviously, when you come to the open house, or if you give me a call, we can chat more about what has been put into this house. So yeah, for more details on the property, get in touch with me. The link is below. And so if you're looking at this house from overseas and you are wanting to move in with no hassle, you don't want to do renovations, you don't want to buy something that's off plan, then this is for you, because it's a vacant on transfer property, which means the minute you purchase this house, it would be yours once it's gone through at purchase. If you are working out, well, we don't have a bank account, how am I going to purchase this house from overseas, Lucy? We take our clients step by step from the beginning to the end. You don't even need to fly in. We know we can do a video call to do a private sort of, Zoom call through the house again with you. And we've got power of attorneys to represent you. You can send monies through to the conveyancing lawyer, which is appointed by the government here. Remember, we did all this in COVID, right? When you couldn't travel and fly. So, for those of you that just really want a house, you want something ready before the next school year starts, maybe in June, July, this is absolutely a beautiful home. And what I love most of all is it's Jumeirah Park. And Jumeirah Park is so in demand because it is literally behind the Shakeside Road. It's behind Jumeirah Lake Towers, just really at the, right by the Dubai Marina, Shakeside Road entrance and exit. So Everything is here. You've got the Dubai Jumeirah British School with the pavilion, all the shops, the supermarket, Starbucks, everything is right here. It's a beautiful community. You know, I lived here for a couple of months with friends. I used to go walking and running every morning. It's a really nice green leafy suburb, and I will do a video as well, so check out my next video where you'll see me driving around and it's, you know, get a feel for the area as well. And also this is District 5, so there's quite a few districts in Jumeirah Park. This is the most in demand. It's the quietest, it's not near the roads, it's not near any of the cables, and we didn't have any flooding in this area when we had the big floods in April last year. So this is the district in demand. So if you want more details, get in touch. Et oui, je parle français, donc si vraiment vous voudrez voir plus des informations sur cette maison jolie, contactez-moi. And hablo español también. Si queréis más información sobre esa casa, por favor, llámame. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, my link is below and the open house is next week. Don't miss it. This is a house that you will not want to miss.